spiritual social movement puts the woman in the front place. Pyramid spiritual social movement is emphatic in saying that all the wars in the world were because of men, not because of women. Women take care of children, women take care of men, women take care of neighbors. But men kill, men create hell. And women are helplessly observing. They can fight, they should fight. They don't men, they should fight. They should disagree with their men. You cannot kill others. You cannot bring animal carcasses into the home. When the man kills an animal and brings the animal carcass to the home, the woman cooks it. That's very bad. How can the woman cook and give that meat to her children? Women should refuse to cook. They should learn to fight with their men and not being slaves to their men. Slavery mentality. Men cannot give freedom to women. Women have to become free by their own selves. No man gives freedom to no woman. We have to break away from this patriarchal society. Women should be empowered themselves. Men cannot empower women. They will never do that. Women should empower themselves. How do I empower themselves? Only by meditation. Through meditation, women empower themselves and they become more compassionate. They don't cook the animal carcasses. They refuse to cook that.
3.
Happy Women's Day!
Good.
Hi, my name is Seisha and I just wanted to say Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day! Happy Women's Day!